So here's how to refund on Pandabuy. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, you have to go to your browser and then open the Pandabuy account. You can also do this by simply going to your app. Once you are there, now here you have to go to the orders page. Now here you have to first cancel your order. After cancelling your order, you have to click on the get a refund option, or you will be simply able to view the option of refund. You have to click on it. After clicking onto it, your funds will be transferred to your account. You can transfer these funds to your PayPal account, or you can simply make a purchase for it. So that's how to get a refund on Pandabuy.